post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach Jong Uichico, and best player of the game, Robert Bolek. Coach, I'll start with you. Coach, your team really set the tone early. You led by as many as 27 points and held on to that lead. What can you say about your team's execution on both ends of the floor for your first game?
I think we defended pretty well naman, ano. Especially in the first half. In the third quarter, medyo they had a run. But that's just the way the game is, and we should learn how to break that kind of run because it could happen later on. So, na-break naman namin yung run, but still, I think we weren't able to break the run as soon as I wanted to, without calling as much as possible a timeout. So that's good. We had Berto with us. He knows how to run the team. He knows what's needed when things are not going well, and he'll find a way to to break the streak, to score, to defend. So that's what Robert is here for.
Thank you, Coach. Yun nga, Robert, challenge ka nila na mas galingan mo pa this season. Binigyan mo sila ng almost a triple-double first game pa lang. Dagdag ko na rin dyan, anong masasabi mo sa connection nyo ni Mike Henry? Nagkaagawan pa kayo kanina ng rebound.
Wala. Wala lang. Masaya lang na nanalo. Pero syempre, yung fourth quarter lang. Ayan na naman kami yung nagle-let down lagi. Dapat baguhin na namin yun. Pag ganun, dapat kill mode na kagad. Dapat hindi kami mag-relax tas papabalikin lang. Sayang yung effort na ginawa namin halos buong game tapos bumaba ng 12. Parang kailangan knowing Coach Jong and coaching staff, yun yung papakita namin sa bukas paano nangyari yun. So dapat baguhin namin.